Dear friend, Doveproxy can provide you mobile proxy and residential proxy. Today, I will take you to browse our website. You can click this website. Now we can see the interface. Doveproxy is a high-quality proxy service provider. Doveproxy service includes mobile proxy and dynamic residential proxy. This is Doveproxy's essentials and features. And you can check Doveproxy's application case and use cases. There are 4 normal cases: brand protection, self-testing, ad verification, and crawler. And this is by package for you. You can choose the package according to your need. And the first, recharge package. This is one-time purchase only. And more discounts, you click here. We click proxy. And now you can click dynamic residential to check dynamic residential's details. These are advantages of dynamic residential proxies. You can check, and here is supported locations. And this is by package for dynamic residential proxy. Now we click mobile proxy. Doveproxy is best mobile proxy for 3rd generation, 4th generation, and 5th generation network. These are advantages of mobile proxy. These are supported locations, and you can check. And here is a buying package for mobile proxy. Okay, now you click resources. Here there are 4 access methods to use Doveproxy. Here are also resources for learning: computer instructions, browser instructions, mobile instructions, as well as city code list, country code list, and IP locations worldwide. You can also check Doveproxy's a proxy generator demo. Here, click About. You can contact Dove. Contact Doveproxy. And blog, you can check our blog. For these resources, you can check our video tutorials on YouTube and subscribe by Doveproxy. And now we click pricing. This is the recharge packages. You can choose according to your need. And here is also the billing method instructions. Please note that Doveproxy currently does not support access to mainland China, and the package cannot be refunded. These are accepted payment methods, so you can choose which payment is more convenient for you. When you decide to buy, you can click Sign Up. And after you sign up, you can get your username and password to log in. If you have any questions or need help, please click our online customer support by this. Connect to server successfully. Okay, now we have customer service online available at any time you need. You can choose any one of the online customer supports to support you, to supply your best assistance and proxy service. You can click the Telegram and enter our Telegram group conversations like this. Before you click, you can load your Telegram firstly. Okay, now we click the Telegram contact button. You can click Open Web. Now we enter Doveproxy's Telegram group conversation. You can click here to find and talk with our group administrator. In the group, you can ask questions as you like, and our customer support will answer you as soon as possible. Dear friend, Doveproxy is worthy for you to try. Please contact us by clicking the website in the description below. Wish you have a good time. Thank you and see you.